What's up, you guys? It's your girl Avery, and I'm back again with another video. Finally. Hopefully this gets edited and filmed. Well, it's getting filmed, but like, you know, get what I'm saying. So I know I've changed t-shirts, whole outfits. It's another day. So we're just gonna start again because I've gotten more clothes. And I still have clothes on the way. But we're gonna get started. We're gonna start off with stuff from Forever 21. I got this cute, well, it's not even cute, it's just like plain, this cute white t-shirt dress because dresses, I need them, but I also want to be comfortable. So a t-shirt dress, because I like t-shirts. And I think it was on sale. There was someone cutting grass. Anyway, yeah, oh god, did I get something on it already? Yikes. But yeah, it's a super cute t-shirt dress. I have no idea what I'm going to wear it with, like shoes wise, but you know, I have it. Okay. So next, I have this red shirt. It's a boxy tee. It was like 2 for $10. So that's what I got. You're just gonna walk down the hallway. I just realized a couple outfits were out of frame. So we just gonna keep moving. Like, well, next, this is this white t-shirt. Once again from Polo. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear this with, but it's cute. So, it works. Again, pink. I need the pink shirt because of my new pink shoes. Still have no idea. Like, I don't want to wear it with my white pants. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll find something in my closet that I already have. Like, you know, mix and match. But, yeah, it's cute. I think it fits because that one was a small. This one is a medium. It should fit. I'm just throwing stuff into a box that I need to hang up. But I can't because my closet's not cute. New video idea. So moving on to my, I believe, second to last store. I'm going to go to Rue21 where I got just 2 t-shirts. I got this Run DMC t-shirt because they were having a sale and it's cute. I like Run DMC. So yeah, I hope you guys can see it. If not, too bad. And then I've been seeing people wear these. Oh my god, is there already a stain on it? No. What is this? Don't lay clothes on black furniture. It's this Nickelodeon shirt. It has like all the cartoon characters. At least the ones I know. At least from like throwback 90s Nick. Which I really like. Like, you know, when people say it's only 90 kids will remember, well, 2000 and 2001 kids remember too, because they didn't change up crap until like 2006. Well, that's it from Rue 21. Then last but not least, I got this cute top from Aeropostale, which honestly, it's like Aeropostale, you're not doing too shabby. I don't know why y'all going bankrupt, but I bought it too big, so I might have to shrink it. Because I was rushing and I didn't look at the size because it was in the mediums, and then it turns out it's an extra large, which I might be able to wear it because Aeropostale usually runs small, but I know generally I'm not an extra large, and the lighting is changing, so good thing I finished this video because it's getting really dark because it's about to storm. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you can still see me because I know it's dark. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.